whoop table. Hi. Can I have them? There's an overview of where we walked today. Mokpara is a nice place, no doubt. Mokpara is a very nice place. There's no doubt about it. There's no doubt about it. So, what I don't remember now. Mokpara is a nice place. So, Mokpara is a nice place. Because once we are going there, once we are coming in there, everything is going down. Because when you go there, you have to be careful in a thing like this. When you are doing when a project like this is going on, when a project like this is going on, you be very careful. Mind where you buy land. Mind where you buy lands and who you are buying from. Or the very, very
power line.
yeah, last power line. So yeah, warm. So machine and customer from the other side, eh?
Yeah, the other side.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh, they're very big. Oh, the Zionites. Orura no woman. Oh, the Zionites. Working why in the Basili Orura no Monyola Puta. And you call my man on go fufu. And you call my man on go fufu. Let go. It's a rigid. It's a rigid. We say it's a rigid. So, I'm working why on your puta. This video is particularly for all the Zionite men and women, all the great sons and daughters of Evangelist Gobi. All of that. All of that. Kachikaka. Came if you go yefe. Better than me. We're all going to hear I'll Kachikaka. Uruguno. I love Evangelist Gobi. I love Zion ministry. Love her, but I love her practical. Now I was a theory. I'd rather go in practical. I'm going practical. A lot of people are in trouble. You remember earlier in the Zion ministry, our spiritual director was announcing back to back. Onye Gosina. Almost Aladeba Wala government. Now a lot of people are in trouble. A lot of people. I just pity what will go on here. How can you be buying a government property? How? It's a very big problem. It's a very big problem. The tractors, as you can see, the tractor are still working. We had 3 tractors here today. We had 1 before and 2 today. Tomorrow more are coming. People are coming. People are sending it to us. People are sending these tractors. People are sending in money. Again, You know, if you don't have, you can be praying for us. Everything is needed this time. Everything is needed. Everything is needed this time. Everything. A whole lot of things is needed. A whole lot. A whole lot. A whole lot. A whole lot. On the Nagaya. I go where a whole lot is needed. A whole lot is needed. A whole lot is needed.
Trying to read me into whatever you have done. But tonight, walk against them.
Hello? Good afternoon. Matthew, quoi. Yo, Matthew. Che, mma kpọgị. Mma kpọgị nwoke Zolobita. Anyị nọ n'ọrụ Zion. Zolobita adịghị on for now. Mgbe arụsị ọrụ Chukwu ekwu okwu business. Oh, Chukwu first, number one. Mma kpọgị wigara abala ka ikwu anyị na site. Arụsịara Chineke ọrụ first. So, ọ na-ahụla ka o si adị. Ọrụ na-aga. Biko, ịsha ya post a. Ka o ruo ebe ndị o kwesịrị iru. Let the sons and daughters of Zion ministry. The great people of Zion. Anyị gbakọta aka. Ọrụ karịkwa. A lot of people have already traded. I pity those who will throw away the hard-earned money. I'm telling you, a lot of people have already lost their money. A lot of people have lost their money. A lot. A whole lot of people. This announcement was made. A lot of people were thinking that now I'll throw hands. A lot of people thought I'll throw hands. Because, but we're no longer in that stage. We are in the stage of clearing this site now. We're in the stage of clearing the site, and then as you can see, Ilanya very far. If you can move to now for if you machine now for they clear it. Then one is coming from this side. One is coming from this side, and the other one is by the other end. So all of them are doing clearing the side. Can if you walk video I want to keep the plan wa maka. I will give you the plan wa. I will keep the plan wa. I will give the plan wa. Immediately I will do a plan a while. Do a plan a while. We know what I want near Choroka. We know what I wear Choroka. Unyaka. Yanyaka. Call Maga Niru. I don't call Mamma on a both. Karigota Biko kaya bakotaka Mandima home Mandima abroad Oraga, Oraga, Oraga. Hopefully, he made last year. I gave me. He made this year. I gave me last year 100 days. It will be well prepared, where you can come inside here. You get everything you want. When you come inside here, you get everything you want. Everything you want. Making with the heading in a chop. Look at one of the truck. I told the guy it was two here. We see one coming out. It's three today. Look at one there. I hope you guys are seeing it. And look at another one there. Where is that one? I'm not seeing it again. Look at one there. This is one. This is one. This is one, and this is two. This is two. So one more inside. One more inside again. They will all come out. Before we are working with one, but people are responding. People are responding to the glory of God. People are responding. We have a whole lot of work to do here. By the grace of God. By the grace of God. Nande zolo bita chere kwe nana mo. Oh, mwana kanjere zolo bita. Hello? Yes, who is this? Onye? Chat him up where? Concerning what? Okay, I'm on live video. Okay. The song to our new king, yeah? Yeah, you are talking to a cousin already now. They have given you my number. I asked them to give you my number. I told them to give you my number now. You are talking to me already. Jokwa, it's about your father's coronation.
Yes, 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 yes.
About the coronation.
The correction of 4th of January.
4th of January. No problem. Now he's my king. Now I will talk to him. What will happen is that later in the night, call me in the night. Even someone have already told me that he's looking for me, that he wants to speak with me. Okay, no problem. No, I'm on live now.
All right, all right.
Jokwa. Okay, sorry you guys. Sorry, all my Nwa Igwe by. We're going to have a new king by January. So the king is looking for me up and down. I've been seeing his messages. But when I'm on my Zion ground, I get booze or wrong case catches his name. Far what is in Kowa. Long live my king, anyways. So, because let the sons and daughters of Zion ministry So, Orejila with Orejila. Oyola Barabiwa. Oyola Barabiwa. This is how I need to see it. But the other guy don't not fall on because everybody jump to
All these blows on that man I put on you by 2 o'clock.
oh, yeah, just serious. Yeah, just serious. He's a serious fellow.